In today's video, I'm going to teach you Leonardo AI Video Generator. We'll walk through the exact flow to turn your ideas into short dynamic clips, whether you start from text or bring motion to an existing image. First, log into your Leonardo AI dashboard. A modern browser and a stable connection will make things smoother. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace where you can access creative tools and your recent projects. Next, choose the video or motion option from the left sidebar or the top menu. Video is ideal for text-to-video generation, while motion focuses on animating a still image. Picking the right lane here helps the tool set itself up for the result you want. If you're going text-to-video, type a clear, detailed prompt describing the scene you want to animate. Be specific about the subject, the action, the environment, and the vibe. Style cues like cinematic, watercolor, or anime can guide the look, while camera hints like slow push-in or aerial wide-shot shape movement add lighting and mood descriptors, and keep your language concrete. If you need to avoid certain visuals, include a brief note to exclude them. The more precise your description, the more accurate the motion and composition will be. If you're going image to video, hover over an image in your feed and choose Generate Video or Image to Motion, then upload it as your start frame if it isn't already in your gallery. Pick images with a clear subject, good contrast, and room for movement. Clean edges and uncluttered backgrounds tend to animate more naturally. Framing your subject centrally often reduces distortion when motion is applied. Now select your model and settings. Choose a video model like VO3 or Kling to match the style and motion fidelity you're aiming for. Then adjust motion strength if that control is available. Lower values keep your original composition tighter. Higher values introduce more dynamic movement and transformation. If you see options for guidance strength, resolution, or duration, set them to balance detail with render time. Subtle tweaks here can dramatically change the result, so think about narrative, pacing, and clarity. When you're ready, click Generate to render your video. Processing time varies by model and settings. Once it's done, preview the clip. If something feels off, refine your prompt, adjust motion strength, or switch models, and try again. When you're happy with the outcome, you can view, make light edits where available, and download the final as an MP4 for immediate use in your timeline or to share. That's the complete path from idea to animated output with the Leonardo AI video generator. Take your time experimenting with prompts and motion strength, and you'll quickly dial in the look and feel you want.